I don't understand how you go cut person life short just for no reason. Just for no reason because of 100 naira. The real account of what happened there, make we just hear them.
On Thursday, 12th of May, between the hours of 7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m., a guy, David Sunday Moore, a sound engineer, was burnt to death after being beaten to a state of coma by a group of Okada men in Lekki Phase 1, Admiralty Way, Lagos. Here goes the story. David Sunday Moore, sound engineer, and Philip Balogo, a keyboardist, who normally would play at Beer Barn, which is a lounge along Admiralty Way, Lekki, took a bike, Okada, and upon arrival at Beer Barn, they had a misunderstanding as to how much was supposed to be paid. The Okada man asked for 100 naira more than they intended to pay. It led to a scuffle and altercation, and perhaps the bike man faked his death, and then a mob came out from hiding from wherever they were, bike men, street urchins, and they beat David and Philip to a pulp. David was unlucky because after they finished beating him while he was unconscious, they set him ablaze with petrol and a tire around his neck and burnt him to death on the spot. Lekki Phase 1, Admiralty Way, Lagos. Philip was beaten, his eardrum was burst. Olatunji Francis, who is a saxophonist at the Beer Barn, also came to the scene to try to rescue the situation and try to bring peace and try to identify that he knows the people that were being beaten mercilessly. And he also got his own fair share of the beating. They beat him seriously into a state of unconsciousness as well. Both Philip and Francis were admitted at General Hospital Marina from Thursday till Saturday. And on Saturday, Philip had to be rushed to Federal Medical Center, FMC at Ebutemeta inside the railway compound, where he is required to see a neurosurgeon. Otherwise, if he survives the incident, he may have a permanent loss of memory due to fluid that has gathered in his brain. We're asking for justice for David. We understand that the Nigerian police force has arrested about 10 people who were concerned with the incident at Maroko Divisional Police Office. We want justice for David. We want the perpetrators of this incident to be brought to book. We want the Lagos State government to take action with respect to laws that relate to bike men, Okada men. Are they supposed to function in Lekki Phase 1? Are they supposed to be on the highways in Lagos? Are they not supposed to be having their helmet on? Why would they gather in shanties, in unauthorized places, and use those hideouts as means to perpetrate mayhem and insecurity? Is getting worse. And if this trend is not checked, it may spread to other parts of
It may spread to other parts of the state.
It may.
It will.
What you now spread since these people them there everywhere with bad character up and down. For me, Ogami, permit me, sir. Lagos State government with immediate Wangwa Kritina Bego, made them ban Okada. Made them press P for Okada until them fit restructure, rearrange Okada doings for Lagos.
Then fit even restructure these guys because these guys they enter Lagos anyhow. You go see one foot trailer go just land with Okada.
Wham!
This Okada not even get number plate.
For where?
So you can't even track it. The wife of that guy, the David
Dave,
guy, the wife talk one thing.
Okay.
Make we hear what thing she talk. Make we hear them.
I am one of your staff at Ijede LCDA. I'm in the Department of Works and Infrastructure. I'm an engineer, mechanical. I am active there. You can ask of my name and you will get it there. All I want is justice for David. Justice for Dave Sound. Everyone that has hand in his death must face the wrath of the law. David has 2 little kids. One is 5 years and for nothing for the kids. For the kids, so Èkó ò gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́ o, ó wá kù sọ́wọ́ wa. Sanwó-Olú tẹ́kọ̀ọ́ bá bàjẹ́, ọwọ́ ẹ̀ ló tọwọ́ bàjẹ́ o. Sanwó-Olú Èkó ò gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́ o. Èkó ò gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́. It's not just a slogan, but it's something that Tinubu has been holding for long. Sanwó-Olú ṣiṣẹ́ lé lórí.
He say she then get 2 kids. 5-year-old and one plus. 5-year-old and then 1+.
Don't get papa again.
Honestly. My name na Yo.
Okay.
They call you from Wazobia FM.
I greet you, sir.
I greet you. Na Pastor Uyi be that, Abi?
Speaking. Yes.
Okay. And now you be the lawyer of this and then Dave family.
Yes.
Okay, waiting be the situation now. Waiting really happen about this whole matter, and then waiting be the situation where we dey now.
Okay. For now, David don't die. They don't. Everybody don't see the video for social media. I will never watch them. Make you not watch them because you feel not chop for 3 days. You feel they cry for long. Very painful. The story where we hear, we say, and where we don't see, we say people gather, beat them. Beat David, beat Philip, who is the keyboardist, Philip Balogun, the keyboardist of the Legacy Band, and then Francis Olatunji, that's Frank.
Yeah.
The saxophonist. So David and Philip, night David place where the thing happened, front of beer band for Admiralty Road.
Yeah.
Or Lekki phase 1 there. This one not be Sokoto, na Lagos.
Lagos.
Phase 1. So the more because of arguments over small change for the matter, Okada and the David and Philip, they come begin to get altercation. Like one of them can't touch the Okada man called the form like this, so he don't die. So they say na charm they use to knock the Okada man. So other Okada man, you know how they be.
Yeah.
Every time we say something happen to Okada, even if Okada jam you, even if Okada did at fault, and you not run from over that thing, like 50 of them, 20 of them don't gather now, they attack you. So the Okada men gather, and they say David and Philip now Yahoo boys. So they be ritualists. So they want to use the Okada man when don't they form like they don't die. You do the one that they do charm. So now they pounce on them, begin to brush them. Now another part of the story is say David wrong as they start the hour, he wrong. But one woman will like say they said something that inside come point you mob to where he hide. They come fish him out, bring him from there. So if you don't run to save the life, they come bring
Okay,
him
David
out.
be don't run. Now persons show the people, the Okada riders them.
And one woman I show them where he hide. Now they bring him out from there, and they pounce on him the more. And I mean the beating they don't go viral. So they beat him, put tire for his neck. Put wood for inside the tire. The video, they can put small fire for near his head. So the head is already they collect, painful, barbaric, demonic death. Now they give him. I don't know where they learn that kind of death. They put fire near the head of the bonnet, they come pour petrol on top of the fire. Now the thing just, the guy go and play. So they die on the spot. Now, the story what they hear, Beer Band released statement yesterday. For their statement, they say the time when the mob starts to beat these people, some neighbor officers they nearby. They say there 3 neighbor officers. Me never see this CCTV to show the neighbor officers. But now we think Beer Band talk for their statement where they released yesterday. Say 3 neighbor officers they near there, they not do anything. So even the ROS, say for that lekki Admiralty,
Yes.
RORS is in here.
Yes. Yes.
Plaza. The RORS show up for the place, but because the mob too plenty, because the mob we don't gather too plenty, they not come to hand against the court and not be their jurisdiction. Because in Marathon police station on the other side of the road of the express, now they run that act. So naval officers, they say they're not too count of matter. RORS, where the Nigerian police force, so the same Nigerian police force, they not be scatter the mob. They not attack them. They not even take control. Now the story where we hear is that from the band story. This one, not be me go verify that one. Police go verify that one.
Oh, okay, so waiting be the where we dey now, because Lagos State government release statements concerning this thing, and then say they hold 4 people, then hold 4 suspects, and then they investigate the matter now for Panti as we dey talk. Then say the other 2 guys minus David we don't die, say they still dey hospital.
Correct.
And then they tell everybody make them calm down, because the Lagos State governor and then in team, all of them, they work tirelessly to see to the end of this whole matter. You na the family lawyer. Waiting be the situation. You and Lagos State people don't talk, or waiting be the situation.
Okay, make I just give you small background to that. Just small. I mean, some of the things you talk very correct. After yesterday, they moved the case from Maroko go
Panti, yes.
Now 6 people they carry go Panti. Yes.
6 people.
6 people, yes. Initially, now 10 people they arrest.
Okay.
But they say arrest 4 people. Correct. They say arrest 4 people. They arrest more people join them. But now 6 people they moved from Maroko yesterday go Panti. Now, one of those 6 people now the Okada man where they involved in the matter, because the Okada man not there.
The real Okada guy. Yes.
The real Okada guy.
Yes.
That one the Holland. That guy now from Adamawa State.
The guy now from Adamawa State.
From Adamawa State. Yes.
Okay.
That one from Adamawa. Then the woman will point them to where David go hide.
Yeah.
That one from Bauchi State.
Okay. Now them.
Not them. So 6 people they fancy right now. Whether the rest of the people are the correct people, we don't know. Now police investigation with that.
Yeah.
But the other 2 guys, the first guy where they beat, that one they lucky to they alive. In fact, that one they fight for his life right now. They put wood for that one here. They bust the eardrum. They bust the eardrum. In fact, if Morocco police quick reach there, that one they put fire for everybody. So that one right now, that one never talk since that day. That one they unconscious for hospital. Now they don't rush and I don't know whether make I give the hospital name.
No. Just.
So yesterday they rush and come up.
Yeah, I know. Go another IC. I know. Somebody don't tell me.
Yesterday afternoon again. Now there's the guy that visited the first guy. The saxophonist will come out. Will come and say, I know them. We could not touch them. I want them beat them seriously. Now yesterday the first time when the guy they chop a camo. Oji Pap. Yesterday the guy is on trip now for hospital. So that one don't come out from that one they conscious now. And they manage to talk and they don't blast all the mouth, all the body everywhere right now. Okay? So Lagos State government yesterday, the commissioner called one of the commissioners called the widow of David yesterday. But one newspaper house, I don't want to call their name, they go report yesterday, say Lagos State government visit the family. Now lie. Lagos State government not visit the family. Yesterday.
Now call.
Now call. A phone call not equate to this. So all those
Okay, I get just 1 minute. So, as the lawyer now, waiting be the situation. I get 1 minute to round up.
Okay.
1 minute.
Okay, straight up. We want justice for David.
Yes.
We want government to come to the aid of the family. The guy, David, gets wife with the widow now and 2 kids, 1 and 5 years, one and 1 year and 4 months.
Yeah.
We want welfare package for them, and we want a security situation for Lagos enforced. There's a law banning where, when, and how Okada riders supposed to run for Lagos. Nobody can yesterday they can't go begin a pass Okada men from Lekki.
For Lekki, yes. I hear say they don't pack 123 now so far.
That's not it. That one I just knee-jerk reaction.
And
They
then
need to ban them.
they need to go pack more.
They need to pack all of them come up for Lagos. Why Okada go dey drive for 10 minutes? Why they go dey drive one way? Why they go dey harass us around everywhere? Okada not dey wear helmets for Lagos. And they're supposed to dey wear helmets and pack off. We get laws. Government not dey enforce them. So the security situation must be focused on the family, the welfare of David's family must be taken account of. And then there must the perpetrators of this injustice must be
brought to book. All right, thank you so much, lawyer, Pastor Oyi. I go call you to follow up later on top this same matter, okay? Thank you so much. And then we go continue to we pray, say make all these things then make it just fit make we see the end of Tombo, I get just 10 seconds. You hear waiting the man talk.
Yes, I hear it. Before we enter market, I don't talk before. First, Lagos State government ban Okada for the full state first. Then they rearrange where Okada they operate for inside the Lagos State.
Okay.
And then justice
For this young man. And then the wife talks say she they work with the state government too. Justice also they important for them. This whole Okada people matter. Then the way they take they behave, it is highly uncalled for. It is highly uncalled for.
For a state like Lagos State.
Yes.
We be state to other states them across Nigeria and the world they look up to.
Some states no agree Okada.
Yes, sir.
Some states no agree Okada till today.
They go tell you go run Okada inside village, village.
Some states no agree till today. But once Lagos State talk their own, after some time then go leave them. After some time then go leave them.
And you know, so that this living thing now, Ogami, don't make me. I want to ask one question. No verse. This Okada for inside Lagos State, as it concern a budget the way government for Lagos State always they bring out every year them.
Yeah.
Every they call it physical year or just how much revenue Okada they generate for Lagos State?
How much revenue?
Oh just
then they collect money. They collect money from them.
Who?
You know, say task force people they collect money from these Okada riders them.
So the money they go for Lagos State government, that they're generating revenue.
I don't know where the money they go, but then they collect money from these riders them.
Okay.
Whether not the local government they collect them, whether not they are transport workers, I don't know. All I know is that then they collect money from riders.
Because why are they talking? I say, you know, say as the year begin, someone will sign about 1.7 trillion. Money we don't take to finance the budget for the year. Are you with me? I not see where the right Okada go generate so amount for us. And for report we come last year. As I look into it, I hear say Agboro boys they make so much money.
Now what for
over
you?
Wait, man, check the report.
Now what for you?
Over 123 billion naira.
Now what for you?
What did it generate?
Now what for you?
Individually and internally. And I ask myself, if Okada they generate this so much money, Okada boss then tricycle, why did it not reflect for Lagos State budget in her? Because if they reflect, then be say, hey, now Lagos State government say, okay, no, Okada is actually helping our economy. That's why we don't want to ban them. Boss, make them profile these Okada people.
How they want take profile? Okay, how you want?
First of
then
all,
get nin. You they talk. These people get nin. Then get nin. Then get BVN.
They not get.
You dey talk to me. I said, where the profile?
This stuff we talk now. You know, say outstandingly, I will tell you, say jokingly, I yarn with one Okada guy. He say, what do you mean? Say no, which name? Say no get nin. But I say, but they make on. Say they make on.
Somebody write question. Say they no go clear all these Okada people because then they should say Lagos State government they wait to use them for election before carrying them go down. Because if you go clear them now, you go affect vote.
You go affect vote.
Now what is somebody saying? You don't understand.
I understand.
Because once they come near like this, once election they near, they no go want pass some things, information we go make people just do anyhow. So now after election they go come.
I understand.
So now that, but I no believe so because this one now when they roast everybody. Finish. Who go come vote for them when time reach?
Yeah, I never understand.
never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.